Hey Audrey, are you sleeping?
What? Well, what am I doing today?
It's all Shopkins and most of the stores are happy place, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
I'm playing. I'm gonna play. She's gonna say, look, time to wake up. Okay, what do I have to do? What do I have to do again? Oh yeah, I have to go to brush my teeth. Put the water. Shh. Now let's put it down here and brush my teeth. And then now let's put the toothbrush down. Now let's drink the water. Go. Done. Now let's put some mouthwash. Oopsies, I dropped it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Toothpaste. Let's brush your teeth again. Now let's brush your teeth again. Oopsies, silly me. I almost forgot to brush my teeth with toothpaste. Brush. Now let's drink some drinks of water and pour it out. Now let's put the water back there. Now let's done. Now let's put some mouthwash on. Now done. Now let's do the other things. Let's get some cleaning stuff. Let me take the other part. Hey guys, time to clean your own things, okay? Hey, hamburger girl, do you want hamburger? Sure, give me one. Okay. Wait. I want a hamburger, please. Sure. I will give you one. Here you go. Thank you. Is there really a hamburger inside? I have to go check it out. Wow, it's so cool. Let me take it back home now. Bye. Bye. Have a good day. I'm bored now. Let's take a shower. Let's stand here. Where's my shower place? Stand here. Sit down in my bath. Now let's get the soap. And then put some on here. To put back in here. And then rub it. Rub. I think the Shopkins are making. Let me get this floor. So, hi! We're going to put it on here because when I looked on the camera, this Shopkins was covering it, right, guys? So you couldn't see it. Let's do it again. Rub. Let's sleep here for you. Have a meal. Let's see how pretty I am. My makeup is off. Let's find some here. Whoa. We got some baby stuff. We got a fortune cookie. You got everything. Well, we can't find it. So, there's nothing to do. And see, I walk in the box. There's nothing. How about the other box? Nothing. If we had a lipstick. Okay, well, we didn't find it. Let's just get a party hat, cupcakes, and foods first. Where's the table again? Oh, sorry, I knocked you over table. And the candy and the food, put here. Let's put some more food. Put some potatoes, some more ice cream, and some grapes either, because they're very healthy, right? Ah! What happened? We got a very big cup of something. Now we got enough food. Now we can eat. Ooh, it's kind of hot. Let's get out now. Let's find something to warm up in. Done. own shopping cart by my own. It's bigger than me so much, but we'll still take this one. Whoa, there's so much food to pick. Let me just pick something. Ah, so much decoration. I want some pizza. I want this. I want the orange. I want cherry pie. I need some toilet paper. And also, I need a brush. Oh, I thought I already had one. I want a violin. Wait, I need a shoe. Where's the other pair? We lost it. We don't need that shoe. Well, I want a party hat. It's almost my birthday. Put it in the shopping cart. Now what else can I have? Ooh, cupcake. And also I want something else. I want some wobbly jellies. Okay, let's bring it back home now. Let's check out. It's time to check out. Hey, jelly. This is my home shopping cart. Jelly, cupcake, cha-ching. Party hat, cha-ching. Orange, cha-ching. Cherry pie, cha-ching. Ice cream, cha-ching. Toilet paper, cha-ching. Pizza, cha-ching. Thank you for buying our stuff. Let's put it in our bags now. Find as much bags as possible. We got 4 bags and that much food. I don't think this is gonna fit. Oops, there's something already somebody didn't know. So let's put it on this one. Put 2 things in one. Okay, I'm making the thing bigger. So much bags. So much thing to handle. Can I handle this? Let me go get my girls. Girls, help me. Okay. We need another one. Where is the other one? Let's go find one here. Put 2 more bags. Now we have to carry this. You carry the pink one, I'll carry the white one. Thank you. Bye. Now I got it. Experiment this thing. This food goes yellow right here. The toilet paper goes right here. And this cupcake goes in the food section. And then the orange goes there too. Let's put the food closer so you guys can see. As you guys see, there's no more cup on the table. And one fell down. Now we don't need it anymore. Oh no! An orange fell down. Where is it? Oh, so much food fell down. Let's go get it. Choo-choo. It's so hard getting it. Oh well, let's go eat something. I love some of my mashed potatoes. Oh, sorry. I don't need mashed potatoes. Why did I have those? Okay, then fine. I'll just watch some TV and also do some stuff. Okay. We also keep some stuff there. Sit down and watch some TV. Let's pick up some stuff here first, because we made it fall down last time. And then some of our food could stay there too. Let's take a few more carts. Oh no! It fell. This is a big shelf. party hat. Wait, this is not food. Some pizza. That's very thick. Also some ice cream down here. If we don't have enough space, I also have another cart. Candy rolling, mashed potatoes. Oh no, it's hard to put. Now we put some cupcakes. Now let's put some ice cream too. Now let's also put some more on this. Oh no, there's not enough space. Let's add one more cart to it. Let's take this one and add it on top because the last one has to be on the last one. Right, guys? Now we got a bigger shelf. Look how much food we have. It's gonna last us for a week. Or almost more than a week. Let's put our shelf back now. Ah! We don't need that back. Okay, we also now let's go to take a shower and go to sleep. Let's take off our shirt. Let's go to the bath again. Okay, let's take a bath. Let's wipe now. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Now done. So bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like it and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. And I also have something that falls down on the floor that I'm going to pick up now. Bye.